Ever thought about making money by sharing what you love? It's like getting paid to be a super enthusiastic friend who just can't stop raving about their favorite stuff. Welcome to the magical world of affiliate marketing. Picture this: you promote a product you adore, and for every sale, you earn cash. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, minus the watering and pruning. Here's how this magic works. You're the middleman guiding buyers to products, and you get paid when they buy. It's like being a matchmaker. But instead of love, you're matching people with products they'll love. Let's dive deeper. The affiliate marketing world is a billion-dollar industry. Over $95 billion spent in 2023 alone. That's a treasure chest just waiting for you to unlock with your super cool affiliate key. Imagine partnering with giants like Amazon. That's where many beginners start. Just think, your favorite products, earning you money without the hassle of inventory. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but without the calories. But wait, choosing the right affiliate program is as vital as picking the right toppings on your pizza. You need to find what resonates with your audience. Is it beauty products, tech gadgets? Find your niche and the rest will follow. It's like finding your superpower. Now here's a secret: you can't just toss out links and hope for the best. You need to build trust, be reliable, be genuine. If your audience feels you're sincere, they're more likely to click your links. It's all about relationships. Think of it like dating, but instead of flowers, you're offering valuable content. So how do you promote? Content marketing is your best buddy. Create articles, reviews, even tutorials. Make your content engaging and value-packed. SEO? Oh yes. Learn it. It will sneak your content to the top of search results. Think of it like a treasure map guiding potential buyers straight to your affiliate treasure trove. But don't get lost in the jungle of keywords. Keep it fun and informative. But don't forget the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are gold mines. Share your passion, build a community, and watch your influence grow. Your authentic voice will captivate audiences. Just remember, no one likes a spammer, so keep it real. Got an email list? Awesome. Nurture it. Send out newsletters with helpful tips and, of course, affiliate links. Just think, your words traveling to inboxes, turning casual readers into loyal customers. It's like having your own newsletter fan club. Let's talk tools. You need a platform. WordPress is a popular choice. It's like the ultimate playground for content creators. Plus, use management plugins to track your affiliate links. Keep everything organized so you can focus on creating. Think of it like having your own marketing assistant. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Most affiliate marketers make at least $1,000 a month. But the top earners, they're raking in six figures. The sky's the limit. With commission rates soaring from 1% to over 70%, the math speaks for itself. It's like winning a lottery, but instead of luck, it's your hard work. But beware, common mistakes can trip you up. Promoting products you don't understand is risky business. You might lose trust, and trust is your golden ticket. You've got to know your audience. Transparency is key. Disclose your affiliate relationships. It's not just ethical, it builds credibility. Think of it like being honest with your best friend. So, what's the next step? Start small. Choose a niche that excites you. Research affiliate programs that resonate with your passion. Write authentic, high-quality content that speaks to your audience. Engage with them, ready for the twist. It's never too late to jump into affiliate marketing. The digital world is vast and new opportunities pop up every day. Think of it as a garden. With care and creativity, you'll grow your own lush landscape of income. Now, are you curious about scaling? Diversify. Promote multiple products and explore different marketing channels. Collaborate with fellow marketers and share knowledge. Investing in ads can also give you a boost. Have those paths opened your eyes? The potential for passive income is real. Many start to carve out successful careers from the comfort of their homes. All it takes is dedication, creativity, and the will to learn. As you embark on this journey, remember, stay committed. The road won't always be easy, but the rewards are worth it. It's like running a marathon, but instead of a medal, you get a paycheck. What are you waiting for? Take that leap. Think about the freedom you could gain. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and watch your passion transform into profit. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked this video. And remember, affiliate marketing is like pizza. Everyone loves it and it can be delivered right to your doorstep.